Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is sanitization. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Check out the status bar below for our agenda and stick around to the end for those bonus questions. Our topic, sanitization, comes directly from 211.56. Sanitization in 5 words. Control facilities, maintain sanitary conditions. Buildings and facilities used in the manufacturing, processing, packing, and holding of drug products must be kept in sanitary conditions at all times. There cannot be any infestation of rodents, birds, insects, or other vermin. All waste and trash must be addressed in a timely manner to avoid sanitization issues. The organization must have procedures in place that contain the cleaning schedules, methods, equipment, and materials that are used when they maintain the buildings and facilities. Cleaning processes must be validated. If the organization uses any rodenticides, insecticides, fungicides, fumigating agents, or cleaning or sanitization agents, they shall be suitable and risk assessed. All cleaning and vermin removal processes shall be documented and controlled to prevent contamination to the building, facility, and drug product. The contamination control requirements apply to all personnel that access the facility. It doesn't matter whether they're permanent employees, temporary employees, contractors, or consultants. It applies to everyone. So how do I know this is working? First, buildings and facilities are kept clean and clear of clutter. Second, cleaning schedules, processes, equipments, and methods are documented and validated. And third, vermin removal and cleaning processes are appropriate for the drug product being manufactured and do not cause contamination issues. And then finally, the contamination control requirements apply to everyone working within the building and the facility to ensure that the drug product is not contaminated. So how do I know it's not working? First, unsanitary conditions are found within the buildings and facilities where drug products are manufactured. Second, the facility becomes infested by some sort of vermin, and that vermin is not addressed appropriately to prevent contamination of the drug product. Third, vermin removal processes and cleaning agents are not risk assessed, and the organization does not understand if they could potentially adversely affect the drug product. And then finally, personnel working within the facility don't understand the contamination control requirements, and there are routine deviations in OOSs for contamination that can be directly linked back to the people in those areas and the sanitization requirements. And now for the 3 bonus questions. In the past 5 years, have we had any issues with vermin in the facility, whether it's rodents, birds, insects? Second, what is our process for using vermin removal agents? Second, what vermin removal agents were used during that infestation, and where was that documented? And then finally, can you show me the process that we follow where we analyze and understand whether the cleaning agents or the vermin removal agents pose a risk to the drug product that we manufacture? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any specific questions, send them to me at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained, making quality systems simple for you.